Let's prepare together French pear tart. Firstly, we need to poach the pears in a sugar water syrup combined together with vanilla paste. Once the sugar is dissolved, the syrup is ready and we can drop the pre-peeled and cleaned from the inside pears. You can store the pears, if needed, in cold water with some lemon juice so they don't get brown. Cover the pears with the so-called cartouche, which is a circle cut from a parchment paper. Depending on the type of pears, the time of cooking will be different. To check when ready, pierce with a small knife. It will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Once the pears are cooked, you can leave them to cool down in the syrup. We need for this recipe a tart shell. You can either buy or prepare one yourself. We have a full video on how to prepare a tart shell in our channel, so please feel free to check it out. Next, for the frangipane, in a bowl, soften the butter with a spatula. Then add the powdered sugar and mix well, followed by the eggs, almond flour, and finally add the all-purpose flour. Once the frangipane mix is ready, you can spread it over the tart shell evenly and place the cooled pre-sliced pears over the frangipane. Once the tart is arranged, baked at 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Do not overcook the tart. Make sure to prick with a wooden stick after the 20th minute to check the baking. To finish the tart, you need to prepare a glaze by using any type of jam you have available, mixed with a little bit of water in a kitchen robot or with a hand blender. The final result should look like a very thin puree, easily spreadable with a brush. Brush the tart with the glaze while it's still hot. Serve the tart either warm or hot depending on your choice, together with a scoop of ice cream or just dust it with a bit of powdered sugar.